What's up, my lovelies? It's your girl Chris and I'm back here with another video. Hey y'all, so I'm starting to vlog and post more, so here goes another vlog. I'm going to be doing a vlog slash Burger King mukbang, okay? So my dad's coming right now to go so he can pick us up so we can go to Burger King. You already know I'm gonna be fat and give me some food. Right now I'm on FaceTime with my best friend. Say hi, best friend.
Is it wet outside? See, I asked you to do something. Let's go, girl.
Alright, well, I'll see y'all when we at Burger.
Back. You don't see these people coming in?
I stopped.
You didn't have to stop.
I did stop.
Okay. Sorry, so we back at the house. There we go. About to open up this back door. We're gonna get to this mukbang. Sorry if y'all couldn't see me. Mukbang. Okay.
Mukbang.
So I got everything, y'all. So I got a medium Sprite, some fries, but I was eating on them in the car. And this might be big, but I got a double Whopper because I wanted the 2% Whoppers, but I couldn't get it because I didn't because the Whoppers, the 2% Whopper don't come with the drink and fries. So yeah.
And I think it has cheese on it.
Yeah, it has cheese. It's cheese. Not answering that.
I'm not in the mukbang.
Do you want to be in it?
I don't have a lot to eat.
Oh, yeah,
Alright, this is what I got.
She got the Bacon King.
I got the Bacon King. I ain't
Sorry,
gonna show my face.
I don't like
Y'all know
tomatoes,
what I look like.
but I like onions. I love me some onions. Do just need extra ketchup, probably.
Do you know what about this Bacon King?
It don't come with tomatoes or onions.
It don't come with none of that.
I don't think its main focus is about tomatoes and onions. It comes just the main focus is about a bacon.
Oh.
A bacon.
Medium size Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. Alright, let's get to this bread. Is there napkins?
Yeah. Under here.
I told you to eat the car here.
I only have one bite left. So that's it for me with the mukbang.
Mom, I'm doing a mukbang. I'm doing a mukbang.
It's mukbang.
It's my first mukbang on my channel. Mom, no, keep the booty to yourself. No.
Did you take that down? Oh no, I'm about to do it.
Who's that for you?
There. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Not
I still got homework to do. hate her more. The music is playing. The noise.
Oh, you probably put it in your bag. How about 12 rounds? What? No, you can't have that.
Oh.
I gotta put it in a plastic bag right now. That was gonna be the next thing that came out of her mouth. Can I have one? Okay, buddy. Alright, here I come. Yeah, I'm gonna put the bed up, probably. Want the rest? Right? You want the rest?
I might not finish the mukbang video.
You might as well just wash it off.
Oh, we need to get those dirty clothes from upstairs.
Who's dirty clothes? All? Why we got clothes upstairs?
It's a cabinet.
Are you serious?
Babe, when that time you get the inspection, you got to put all the dirty clothes up there.
I'm getting full. So that's the end of the video. Hope y'all like it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure y'all comment down below for, excuse me, for more videos. And I'll see y'all later.